Hi, I'm Dave Steinberg, and one of the areas that I cover is bankruptcy. Many clients want to know what happens when money problems arise, and that's what I'm going to discuss with you today. Money problems are tremendously stressful. That stress often leads to poor financial choices. Let's look at 8 common mistakes people make when having money problems. Money mistake number 1, paying unsecured debts before secured debts. This is a big mistake for at least 2 reasons. Reason number 1, a secured creditor has the right to go after its security if you default on the debt. So for example, if you miss a car payment, your car can be repossessed. If you fail to make your mortgage payments, your lender can begin foreclosure proceedings. Unsecured creditors don't have this recourse. Reason number 2, if you end up filing bankruptcy, your unsecured debts will be discharged or wiped clean. Not so with secured debt. Even in bankruptcy, you still will have to catch up on your secured debts if you want to keep your property. Money mistake number 2, borrowing against your home to pay off unsecured debt. We just talked about how unsecured debt is dischargeable in bankruptcy. Given that, it makes no sense to take out a second mortgage or use a home equity line of credit to pay off debts that might eventually be eliminated. Plus, even if you never have to file bankruptcy, a second lien against your home increases your monthly expenses and extends the length of time you will be making payments. Money mistake number 3, using your IRA or 401k to pay your debts. Draining your retirement account to pay your debts, especially credit card debt or medical debt, can be a costly mistake. That money will not be free. You will have to pay income tax and likely an early withdrawal penalty on those funds. As a practical matter, filing bankruptcy may be a better option. In bankruptcy, your retirement accounts will be protected from your creditors and your unsecured debts will be discharged. Money mistake number 4, maintaining savings accounts and debt accounts at the same institution. Most banks and financial institutions require you to sign an agreement allowing the institution to automatically garnish your account if you miss a payment owed to it. In other words, if you have your mortgage and a savings account at the same bank and you miss a mortgage payment, the bank can take it from your savings account. You can avoid this situation by maintaining accounts at separate institutions. Money mistake number 5, failing to pay your taxes. This mistake will get you in trouble with both the IRS and the bankruptcy court. If you fail to file your tax returns on time, your bankruptcy case will not be closed and your debts will not be discharged until you file your return with the IRS, and the court has a chance to review it. Moreover, recent tax bills are not dischargeable in bankruptcy. So if you owe back taxes at the time you file, you will still owe back taxes at the conclusion of your bankruptcy, plus interest and penalties as well. Bottom line, the IRS always gets its money, so keep your taxes current. Money mistake number 6, I promise I'll pay you. The worst thing you can say is, I promise to pay you. When you tell a creditor to expect money, you simply invite harassment. The better course of action is to say nothing at all. Money mistake number 7, reviving an old debt. The law prohibits a creditor from collecting a debt after a certain amount of time has passed. If, however, you make a written promise to pay an old debt or make a partial payment on the debt, no matter how small, your conduct may reset the clock and extend the creditor's time to collect. Money mistake number 8, ignoring pending lawsuits. Lawsuits lead to judgments, and a judgment allows a creditor to garnish your wages, freeze your bank accounts, and, in some situations, place a lien on your property. If you are sued on a debt, consult with an attorney as soon as possible. You may have legal defenses. Bankruptcy also may be a viable option. We are available to discuss your situation. You may contact us at 301-589 4597.